today I will be taking care of my nails. I haven't done this in quite a long time, and I decided that it's about time that I take care of my nails. So I will be doing a self-care in particular for my nails, and I will start by just clipping my fingernails. I actually do not have a lot of fingernails, but I really want to make sure that I clip all the dead nails off, and I did one hand. So now I'm onto the other hand, and I am clipping away to make sure that, like I said before, all the dead nails are gone. After clipping them, I will take a moment to just file them down a little bit. I just went to the sink and rinsed my hands. Nothing too much, just rinse my hands, and now I'm drying them off to get rid of all the excess water of my hands. And after doing that, I will go ahead and start with the actual nail treatment. Now, this nail treatment, Help My Finger, is the name of their nail spa, and this is really helpful. It's a Korean brand. If you have dull areas around your nails, this can actually help to brighten them and actually does moisture them as well. They have enough in one pack for both hands. And this is very moist. Like I said before, they're moist, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay them out so you guys can see them individually and see that there is actually enough for your hands. And after I lay them out, I will put them on so that you guys can see. It took me a little while to lay them all out because I'm laying them on paper towel, but they're a little bit moist. So I think you should do that step really quickly. And like I said before, it will moisten your hands. Now I'm putting them on. This was the hardest part because I have to make sure I open them, and to be honest, it wasn't easy to open them, so I was taking my time and trying to make sure that I put them on. And I did one hand on camera and I did the other hand off camera. There you have it. I'm wearing all 10, and I'm gonna just sit for 10 to 15 minutes while the treatment penetrates my nails. Now it's 10 minutes later and I am ready to take these bad boys off. And that's easy, you just pull them one by one. So I pull them all off and then I massage whatever is left of the product into my hands. And there you have it. It looks really nice, feels really smooth. I did went ahead and I painted my nails. I used this matte peel off manicure polish that I got at the 100 yen shop here in Japan, and I'm happy with the color. I really love the color of it. Look at this. I think this is definitely a beautiful color. It is so amazing, and it's also a matte finish. Amazing. Have you guys, this is the finished look of my nails. I feel so good because I got my nails done and I'm really excited, and that's all I got for you in today's video. So if you want to see more self-care videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and smash the bell for notifications. See you in my next video.